in South Africa, and we're filming Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Parts 1 and 2. And I didn't want the year to end without thanking you all for coming out to the theaters. And thank you for supporting Top Gun Maverick. Hey, here's Chris McCoy, writer, director.
Hi, everybody. Hey, thank you. Hey, listen, we really got a room. We got to get this shot.
Oh, yeah, we're filming. We got to get this shot. All right, are you coming?
Not on your life. Good luck.
Okay, we'll see you down there. Whoa. Where was I? Oh, yeah, thank you for supporting Top Gun Maverick. As always, thank you for allowing us to entertain you. It truly is the honor of a lifetime. Yeah. Very lucky. I'm running out of altitude, so I better get back to work. We gotta get this shot. You have a very safe and happy holiday. We'll see you at the movies.